Welcome back, everyone. I am back with a brand new topic in front of you that is dedicated to environmental care. Today, we are going to discuss about the environmental care. Actually, we are taking so many things from the environment. Now, it is time to give the environment something that is a relief. So definitely today's topic is dedicated to environmental care, like charity activities for the nature conservation, that what we can do for the environment, as we are getting lots of things from the environment. Now it's time to care about the environment. So definitely it is going to be a very interesting topic. Let's talk about this topic in a brief manner. First of all, I have to introduce you that what is this particular presentation is about. Welcome basically in this presentation that focus on how charitable activities can help in the environmental conservation. Today we are going to discuss about the actions both taking individually or as in a community, that to protect and restore the existing ecosystem that we have and we are relying on. So this is our basic structure of our topic that we are going to discuss today. Now the next thing that we are going to discuss, that why is nature conservation important, why we are discussing this topic, as this topic is so important. Basically, the current environmental damage has serious impact, from water pollution to loss of the even biodiversity and even the effect on the ecosystem as well. Nature is our main provider of resources and is so crucial for the human survival. Without nature, we can't survive even a single day. Therefore, nature conservation is very urgent thing to do, in especially now these era. First of all, you have to understand about it. What are the major impact on the environment damage? Deforestation, loss of diverse biodiversity, pollution, and also having problem with the ecosystem as well. Lot more like global warming, climate change, etc. So that's why nature conservation is so important to do, especially in that epoch. Now we are going to discuss about it. What is environment charity? Why? What is we talking about the charity? Charity. What is the actually environmental charity? Basically, collective action to support the nature conservation through the donations, volunteer, all collaboration with other things, that is known for the environmental charity, which is one of the very important thing that actually giving the relief to the environment. So example of the environmental charities activities are like tree planting, whether it is individual taking, whether it is for voluntary action of the collaboration of other institutes or other communities. But tree planting is one of the charity activity. Next is fundraising for the conservation, whether it is from the private conservation or whether it is for the public communities or government community. But fundraising is actually a very good charity related to the environmental thing. And last is garbage cleaning. It is also had done for the long time of things in the many to many countries, especially with the cleaning of the biodiversity and cleaning of the flora and fauna, and even cleaning of the oceans as well. There are lots of activities that is prolonging for the very long time, and this has done by both government and both communities and both NGOs as well. So that is kind of examples that actually is needed in day to day life for the environmental charity activities. So this is gonna be a very interesting thing to understand about it, whether we are doing this on an individual basis or we are doing this on a community basis or NGO basis. These things really impact the environmental activity. Now the next thing is that what is the positive impact of the environmental charity activities? Basically, through this charity we can restore the damaged forest, reduce the pollution, and even create the job in the environmental friendly sectors as well. This not only the benefit nature but also local communities and of course for the future generation as well. This gonna be a large impact on the environment, on the job sector, on the pollution, on definitely making the earth a better place. So these impacts are not trivial, trivial. These impacts are vast. These effects are literally so good effects that we are going to take by the environmental charity activities. Now, if we talk about impact on the environment, that is moreover like forestry restoration, pollution reduction, improving the air and the water quality. And if I talk about the social impact, obviously community engagement, because we are going to engage with the community, we are going to talk with other persons. Environmental education would be there, and green sector job creation. That is also the one very good point of the environmental charity activities. And if I talk about the long term impacts, obviously positive legacy for the future generation, because we are saving our environment for the future generation. So definitely it gonna be a very good impact on the long term as well. So these are all the things which are very much important, and these positive impacts we are actually producing due to the environmental charity activities. Now we are going to discuss about that what kind of charity activities for nature conservation are there, like types of charitable activities. There are majorly four type of charitable activities. First is a tree plantation and reforestation. I already prepared the video on the reforestation, so you must watch this video after this class. And the second program or second type is that environmental education through workshops and seminars. Lots of colleges and institute and communities also arrange that kind of education in their setup, which is very good actually. Third is fundraising campaign for the wildlife and forest conservation. Again, lots of NGOs and communities do this thing, which is very good. Next is cleaning beaches and rivers from the plastic waste. I already mentioned it in previous slide that this type of cleaning is literally very impactful on the reduction of the pollution that is basically related to the ocean ecosystem. So this is also one of the very good initiative for that. Definitely this is kind of a thing that is related to charitable activities, because it needs lot of people. Not one people can do a ocean cleaning or can do a education part or can do a lot of trees or can do a fundraising. It need community, it needs lots of people. So that's why it's time to just get together and do all these charitable activities which is actually needed. So these are all the types of the charitable activities. Now we are going to discuss about that, how to get involved in environmental charity activities. Now definitely if you are interested in that thing, then definitely you got an question that how we can get involved in all these activities. Actually there are many ways to get involved in the environmental charity activities. Like you can donate money to conserve the programs, you can be a volunteer at the tree planting or environmental cleanup like ocean cleaning or river cleaning, lake cleaning, or even you can start a conservation movement in your own community. If this is very new in your own setup where you are living, where you are residing, then you can start your own community program. So you could be the first one who do that thing. So that's how you can be involved in the environmental charity activities. So there are lots of things I can say that creating local movements in the community where you live, if that is not so prominent or so not known, that definitely you could start that thing. Second is volunteer at the neighborhood cleaning or tree planting event. If you know that there are lots of events are going in your neighbor, then you can definitely be a volunteer at that moment. Next is join an organization or a community that focus on the nature conservation is also one of the very good point that you can do that. So this is how you got involved in all these things. Now next thing is raising support for environmental charities. I already mentioned that thing. This is not an individual task. This is a community task where lots of people have to be get together and do something good for the environment. So getting more people involved is the key to success of the environmental charities, because we need people at that moment. For that kind of charity activities, we need people. So social media campaign, fundraising events can expand the reach and impact on the movement. Basically collaboration with various parties, with maintaining the transparency of the charity funds, and also very important. These activities are actually very crucial for all these charitable environmental activities, because these activities need lots of people to get together and then perform some activities, because this really needs helpful, it's really helpful for the environmental purpose. Okay, so that is all about the thing. Let's conclude this session, and afterward we definitely wrap up this thing. Through the charity program, we can play a major role to preserve the nature, and of course for the future generation, because we are all doing this thing for the future generation. Let's start with the small steps. Like I already mentioned, that if you don't even in that stage that you can start a community, just do one thing. Daily, on a daily basis or monthly basis, you can just plant trees as much as you can. This is a very small step that you can start individual level as well. So whether by donating funds or volunteering action, or simply raising awareness about this importance of the nature conservation, we can really make a good impact on the environment. Every single action we take that have a very big impact in the future, because we have to save our earth. I already mentioned lots of time, there is only one earth and we don't have another place to live. So definitely we have to save our earth. This is the only thing where we can do that thing. So that is all about the topic that we mentioned. That is the topic related to the environmental charitable activities, that how we can actually preserve our earth, how we can actually protect our environment through lots of activities. I hope you get new insight from this video. I hope you enjoyed the session a lot. Thank you so much for listening that purpose, and thank you for being a part of this journey as well. So that is all for the day. We will definitely meet soon, by very soon, with a new topic to make environmental safe and science easy. So that is all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the session. Let's wrap up this whole thing. Have a very good day. Of course, happy learning up to that point. Bye, everybody.